Hey, what's up, everyone? So I'm super excited about this. So I'm bringing on one of my inner circle students, and he's going to talk about how he's using this brand new system that I have literally never released to anyone. And he's going to be showing you exactly what he's doing to grow his business. Now, again, I'm going to be releasing this training on November 15th. You guys got to go sign up for that training. We have limited spots. It's going to be incredible. I've never released this to anybody. The guy I'm bringing on is one of the only people that have gone through this. He's tested it. He's using it. And I'm excited to bring him on to tell you what he's doing in his business to grow his business from zero. So I want to bring on Lambo. What's up, brother? How are you?
What's up, Jonathan? So nice to see you, my brother. What's up, everybody?
Dude, super excited to have you on. It's been so fun working with you on a close level and helping you grow your business. Give us an intro, like a backstory, like who are you? Why did you get into this industry?
Well, my name is Ash Pruitt, but everyone knows me as Lambo. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I started this journey way back in February of 2020. I used to work at a bingo hall. For 17 years of my life, I was the guy that was sitting on the caller stand and calling the numbers. And when someone bingos, I would come down and pay you your money. I actually stumbled across affiliate marketing when I was looking just for another way to make some income so I could supplement what I was losing when the pandemic hit. So I was watching a lot of your content, and that's what kind of got me really started into affiliate marketing and hit my first sale probably in the middle of 2020, just following some things that you were saying on your YouTube channel. So it was a pretty powerful experience for me to see that it was real and I actually had money coming into my bank account. And then from then on, man, I took off. Say about 9 months later, I was able to really quit, where I was like, okay, my 9-to-5 job's over, when I was able to see how much money I was able to make in one day. So it was a great experience getting started, but now it's like ridiculous. Ever since I started taking this training that you actually have showed me, now I'm like, wow, I can see where I can hit 6 or 7 figures within the next 12 months. So it's pretty amazing to get started that way.
In your experience, how is this new method of affiliate marketing, of growing your business, working out for you and your business?
I mean, it's great, man. Just like you were saying previously, the standard way of getting online and making money, like going to a ClickBank, finding a product and promoting that product, I mean, that's cool. But the way that you teach how we're supposed to have an actual ecosystem is just amazing, because it's not something that is common in this field. No one's really teaching it. So, and I've bought a lot of courses, taken a lot of different trainings, listened to a lot of different people just to figure out, hey, these guys really don't have the corner of that training like you do, because I've watched you build it from scratch. So it's more like I'm looking at it physically when I watched you. That's what made me want to learn from you directly. And when you started teaching me these things, there were a lot of different things where I was like, wow, if I would have known that when I first got started, I would be way further ahead than where I am now.
Yeah, man, for sure. And that's the important thing. And, I've had other programs in the past and, people I've coached, and I've always taught to have the long-term vision, right? Like I've always built my business to be sustainable through an economy, through a market crash, crypto crashing. Like I've always taught that. The only issue was I taught that right away. Whereas what I'm doing now is like, okay, how can we get those results as fast as humanly possible, right? First, and then after that, it's like, okay, now we can start building the long term. So what do you think, man? Like new people coming into the game, like, do you think every person coming in should be building their business for the long term, or should they just come in just to try to make a few couple $1,000 sales and that's it? Like, what's your opinion on that?
Yeah, man, like I just did a video about this, as a matter of fact, where I said there is a huge difference between a side hustle and an actual online business. A lot of people, when they sign up for something and they're in it for the quick cash, right? You just want to make money as fast as possible. But if you really want freedom, like real time and financial freedom, you have to think about the long term. What is this business going to do 3 to 5 years from now? Can I leave and this business still operates without me actually being present? And that should be everyone's goal. Yeah, definitely, brother. I feel like everyone coming into this should have a mindset of longevity instead of quick cash. Don't get me wrong, quick cash is great, when you actually make it and you see how fast you're able to make this money, but because you don't know what to do with that type of money if you've never had it. So it's good to just think, okay, I want this to happen and I want to build this for the rest of my days. I want to be able to use this business for 5, 10, 15 years, or even pass down to my loved ones when I don't want to do it anymore, right? So yeah, I truly believe they should focus on that.
Yeah, man, for sure. And like, this is the thing I struggled with building this system since I started, is that balance of building the long term, but also getting those fast results. And I think you need both when you're trying to help a beginner, because a beginner coming into this game, they just want to make money. And that's okay, because like they're struggling, you know, they either can't pay debt, they are just stuck or miserable at their 9-to-5 job. So I understand that. Like, someone comes in, it's like, well, I just need to make money. You know, what's cool about this new system that I'm going to release on November 15th, man, is I'm showing them how they can now grow the business very quickly using silent videos, which is crazy. You know, those are designed to get people sales as fast as possible. But then as we progress, as we start making money, you make that money, but then we start building the business slowly in the long term. So I'm curious, like, what were your thoughts on like how we built that out that way? Like a beginner coming in has no knowledge on affiliate marketing. What are your thoughts on that?
Honestly, man, when I first started learning that, I was like, how is this going to make me money? Like, how does this really work? Because I come from looking at getting paid for views, right? So when you're looking at going viral and all that stuff, you're not really understanding the power of words. So when you're laying that out, like, you don't have to say anything, Lambo, just do this. And I actually took it. I was like, wow, this is powerful. So for people that's coming in, like a complete beginner, most people, they post anyway for nothing. You know, you're posting for free, you're posting for entertainment, for people to laugh, or, you know, whatever you're posting your content about. Huge difference when you're posting with a purpose. When you actually have a specific purpose on why you're posting a piece of content, and you don't even have to say anything. Most people don't even want to talk or show their face. So for me to learn that you was able to do that, you can make videos without showing your face, or you don't have to say anything, that you're still able to pull in traffic and leads and sales. That's a powerful method that really everybody should learn.
Yeah, dude. That was the thing when I was like first starting teaching affiliate marketing, was like, create a video, you know, talk. Like, I don't want to do that. So I'm like, how can I teach this to get an incredible result, to show people how to like make videos without saying anything and sometimes not even showing their face? So we've been able to solve that problem. People are getting insane results. You're getting insane results with that. You know, you're not only making money, but you're building your YouTube channel, your Facebook group, your Instagram. Like, that's the power of like this whole system. It's like, well, once we figure out that thing with the silent videos, that leads to building your email list, and then that then leads to building out this whole ecosystem. And that's where it gets fun, right? How's that for you, man? Like, is that something that you think it's going to be a game changer, is like building that, you know, the YouTube channel and Facebook group, like those assets?
Definitely, brother. To be honest, looking back when I first got started, I wish that I would have taken YouTube serious when I first got started. I learned backwards. Okay, so when I first got started, I learned how to run paid ads first before I learned anything else. So for me to look at building the longevity side of the business, right, and having a nurturing system in place, some place to where I can nurture people, I wish I would have learned that back then. But since I know now, I've really dove head first inside of YouTube and really looking at how powerful YouTube is for the long term. So it's more of really building that out, having my Facebook group that I can get just tons of people into, man, and they can, you know, have a chance to meet me, connect with me, and actually know who I am and how I can help them. It's very powerful, man. It's something that if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing and you don't understand why it's important to at least have these two assets, then this is definitely what you're going to want to learn. You could start off on whatever platform you want, trying to make fast money. But after that dies down, what does your system look like? You know, what is your long form content? What is your nurturing system? What are you doing in order to keep people entertained after they buy something from you? It's amazing to know it now. I wish I would have known it when I first got started.
Yeah, and I love how you say that. Like, a lot of affiliates will make a sale and that's it, right? Those people never buy. But the way we're building this system out is we get those sales as fast as possible. Then we get them in our ecosystem, but then they continue to buy, like, because of that nurturing system. But it all started with, creating these like 5-second silent videos. And then they got them into my whole ecosystem where I can then nurture them and give them value and help them. At the end of the day, the point is to get a customer from point A to point B. Like for me, I try to help people. The main thing is get them out of their jobs, right? Getting out of that pain point. So that's the whole purpose, is helping someone with their dream outcome. And when you build this ecosystem around the customer, around the client, then that's what changes everything. You make more money, they get a result, and you're building your ecosystem at the same time. It's just a win-win-win. And it's something that I'm super excited to release to the world, man. I'm so happy that I've released it to you already. I know we've been working for the last 4 or 5 months, and you've been crushing it. You're an amazing student. You implement right away. So I'm excited to release this. So again, guys, if you guys are ready to learn this, I'm going to release this completely new system. Never been released to anyone, just people in my inner circle coaching. November 15th. Okay, you got to sign up for that down in the description down below. Okay, I'm gonna do a live training. It's gonna be limited seating. Okay, it's gonna be a live training showing you exactly how we're using these silent videos to grow a business, but more importantly, grow a long-term ecosystem that's gonna bring you leads and sales for the rest of your life. So Lambo, I appreciate you coming on, man. Is there any last minute things you want to say, or even like where can people follow you, man? Where can I send people to check out your stuff and follow you on your journey?
Guys, well, first I want to say thank you for having me, Jonathan. It's been such a pleasure, such an honor working directly with you, my brother, and taking my business to the next level. Also, guys, I made 2 high ticket sales like that. So
Awesome,
if you're
man.
thinking of making money, or is it going to be long, yeah, you can make it real fast, guys. So don't think that we're talking about longevity. Yes, that's what we're about, but those 5-second silent videos are powerful. They're powerful. Everyone could come follow me on Facebook at Lambo P with Love. If you would love to connect with me, I would love to reach out to anybody, or y'all could reach out to me. I would love to connect with you and maybe help you along in the journey. If you're just getting started and you don't know what to do, just follow me at Lambo P with Love on Facebook, and I would love to have you.
Awesome, Lambo. Dude, it's been an honor to have you on here, and I appreciate your time. So with that being said, we'll see you guys on the next one.